to another video. So today we are talking about conditioning drills that you can do with a pool noodle, aka what I like to call it, Mr. Noodle. So without further ado, let's go get into it. So the first drill is holding Mr. Noodle in front of you, raising your legs up and just holding hollow body. This is really good for your abs and your core strength. I love this drill. I have all of my athletes hold this drill at least 3 times for 10 seconds. The second drill is fall to bridge on a wall with Mr. Noodle. This is a great introductory drill when you are teaching fall to bridges. You want to hold Mr. Noodle above your head, push your hips forward, and as soon as Mr. Noodle makes contact with the wall, you then want to have the athlete lift their chest up. I love this drill, I love this drill, I love this drill. And not only that, if the athlete does bend their arms, Mr. Noodle is there so they don't bump their head on the wall. This drill also helps with back flexibility and shoulder flexibility. The next drill that I like to have my athletes do with a noodle is basically like a seesaw, and it is touch the noodle to the cone. This drill helps with balancing. You want to have the athlete start in a lunge, hold Mr. Noodle above their head. As they go down and touch the noodle to the cone, their back leg comes up and they have to pull themselves up. This is a great drill for cartwheels. Final conditioning drill with a noodle is Supergirl, Superman, Super Kid. Basically, the athlete will be on their stomach and they want to try and lift Mr. Noodle up as high as they can with their arms straight in front of them, lifting their shoulders past their ears. As they're lifting their shoulders, their back legs are coming up and it looks like they're flying. So most kids love, love, love this drill. I even have a cape. So when we do this drill, it's even more fun because they get to put the cape on and really feel like they're flying. All I did was cut the noodle into 3s, and that's how I got the size. So these are awesome drills that you can do at home, that you can incorporate in your lesson plans. And you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I may catch you in my next video. Bye.